topics. The topics are like this. The topics data security we have started, and these are the coverage of the things in the data security topic. Next, we have started network security, and at that we have completed firewalls rules. Now today we are going to see the NID. The next topic is there, that is the host security. So today target is NID, that is network intrusion detection system, as well as the host security time permits. Okay. So yesterday we was stopped at NID. So let we have NID. This is already covered. Now NID. NID is nothing but the network intrusion detection. What actually this NID is, or NID is, the purpose of this NID is it will be analyze and monitor the network traffic, whatever the packets is going from one place to another place. It will be just monitor and analyze that packet, whether that packet or that network traffic will be consisting of any sort of any traffic based or network based intrusions or vulnerability, or any third party who like to be hacking, who like to be have disturb the network. Already they have some store some pattern. With the help of that pattern, whatever the incoming pattern it is coming in the network, that will be matched. If it is matched, the duty of NID is it will be bifurcate. If it is a match with the storage already patterns, if it is found the pattern is mapped, it is saying that it is an unauthorized message, it is a third party message, or it's saying like some sort of attack, so it will be avoided. If it is not that case, it will be moved to the firewall. So that is the main objective of this one. Under this, we are going to be talking about the thing is the purpose of NID. Let me see the first subheading under this, the purpose of NIDs. As I said you, this is a perimeter security. What is the meaning of perimeter security is, this perimeter security means it is a corner or a border security providing in the network NIDs, such as the snort. Snort is similar to the sniffer. Sniffer, which is going to be have attacking or listening your network or observing your network, which can monitor local traffic, anything that looks irregular. So it will be based on the patterns. The duty of NIDs is it will be just monitoring the local traffic, which is irregular. Irregular means any mismatching of that. Examples of irregular traffic comes from the port scans. Yesterday already we have seen that by default it will be the 80 port number and some other port numbers which are we set it. Other than that port numbers, any messages or any packets coming from that network, it will be avoided. It will be has to be stopped there itself by the NIDs. And denial of service attacks and known of vulnerability exploit attempts. So these are the irregular traffics from these three places. It will becomes the irregular patterns will becomes. Now see the scenario. What is how the NIDs will works. See if anyone launches the attack. This is step one. Launches the attack to the host. This is a client. This is a client. Host launches the attack. Now the NIDs duty is it has to found whether it is an attack or not. If it is an attack, throw it outside. If it is not an attack, it will be pushed to the another, that is the from to the server. Now if it is having, here we have network switches in middle of the at the client side, as well as at the server side we have a router. Now network switch will be take care of that initial stage. If it is have any confusion whether that attack, whether it is attack or not, that packet, it will be have any confusion, it will throw to NIDs. If you have any some sort of doubts, you have most of time you observe that if any unrelated, any doubtful emails we are getting, it moves to spam. Already we have an option in the all the Gmails or any type of Yahoo or any other hotmails. We have an option called as spam. When it will move to the spam means when the network switch is not understand whether the incoming email will be an authorized email or unauthorized email, it will be thrown to the spam immediately. The spam has to be taken. The port mirror, here is the mirror will be there. It will be taken. If it is have total full doubt, it will send to NIDs. If it is a good packet, it will be taken care of. If it is take care to the client, third step. Again, NIDs having some sort of doubt, again it will be revert back to the firewall. This is the red symbol. revert back to the firewall, and network router and at the side of the server, it take care and found it is going to be an attacker. This is going to be found by the server whether it is attacker or it is a normal message or not. So this red indicates this is a red step and this is also the red step. These two steps is attempting by the attacker to the normal network, normal flow, whatever it is going, it will be flow based on that. Okay. So this is the main objective of NIDS. Now the purpose is, as I already told you, it is going to be how for alerting. The main objective is alerting whenever the attacker is trying to disturb the network. And few of the things here, few of the things is the NIDS duty is only it will be alert whatever the packets coming from the ports, coming from the port scans. But here, interestingly, if you see the scenario, Amazon Cloud, however, you are not likely to notice a port scan because your NIDS will be aware only of requests coming on the ports allowed by your security group rules. All the other traffic will be invisible to the NIDS. So because of that reason, only NIDS will be found the packets coming from only the port scans. Other than that, because the port scans allowed only to the security group rules, already we discussed yesterday, the security group rules. Only from them, only we are getting some sort of packets through that ports on. Other than that ports, if the packets will come, the NIDS is not able to be find out that. So only that's why the Amazon Cloud is not like to be notice a port scan. Right? And come to the second subtopic is how we are going to be implementing this. This is a very small topic. How we are going to be implementing this? How we are going to implementing is with the help of a NIDS server. What you are doing is we have a 3-tier architecture through the cloud. If you see the figure, to the internet. Internet is nothing but the cloud to the application server. In middle of that one, to balance all the packets, we have a load balancer, and we are putting a server here itself, the component. This is a component symbol, already are aware in the UML diagram. This server is a component. This server we are going to be put in front of the network as a whole. What is the purpose of that NID services? It will watches all the incoming traffic and acts accordingly. So how it will works? NIDS how it works is here in a NIDS server we are installing a software. That software is NIDS software itself. So NIDS software as well as the Apache. This Apache, it is for locally access server. The Tomcat Apache we are using. So that we can maintain a very low attack profile as well. So because of this two NIDS server in front of the network as a whole, we can do it. And the purpose of this one is it watches the entire incoming traffic and it will act according to it. So how it will be reducing the traffic or how it will be monitor the attack profile means here in the NIDS servers we are installing the NIDS software itself as well as the Tomcat Apache. So because of these two reasons, the NIDS can be reduced or minimize the attack profile. So that is a basic scenario why we are going to have the NIDS. So NIDS, the purpose is it will be analyze and monitor the network traffic to protect the just network based attacks. So how it will be protect means how the irregularity will becomes is through these three reasons. These are the three reasons. These are the three reasons, three ways where the irregularity or attackers are having chances to attack our network. How it will be avoided is here we are going to be using how we are going to implementing this NIDS is with the help of NIDS server in front of this we are going to be adding, and inside the NIDS server we are installing NIDS software as well as Apache. With the help of this we can balance the load, also we can be very low attack profiles will be possible. So that is the only objective of this networks NIDS.